Hey everybody, it's Shannon from Backyard Homestead, and so quick update. I have been sick, pretty bad, but I'm getting over it. I still have a little bit of cough and sore throat, and anyway. So today I'm trying to venture out and do a little work on the chicken coop. I did get the door painted the other day, so now I'm going to add some trim, and I'm going to start the installation on the inside. So that I get the rest ready to get the just to get it ready. So let me go ahead and get ready and bring you back. Okay, so here's my installation, brand new, R13 or whatever, I don't know. But these is 16 inches. The installation is 16 inches wide. This is not 16 inches wide because it is a small wall, and so I'm going to have to measure the distance in between and then cut. So, like I said, I've never done installation before. So it looks like this one is 12. Okay, and then I need to get the height of it, which, of course, knowing my luck, none of this is square. So, so 69 by 12 and whatever my measurement was. So, I guess I'm going to have to roll this out on the garage floor. Well, I might be able to fit it in here if I take everything out. So let me go ahead and get that ready. Okay, so I cut it open, and one side has like a paper, and then the other side doesn't. So I'm going to get my tape measure and hopefully cut it with the X-Acto knife. There it is. So one was 11. Maybe I should turn it over and cut it. I don't know. Oh, how long did I say it was? Oh, I left the other tape measure in the... Shoot. I have to go get the tape measure. Okay, so it's 69 tall. So, open the edge. And that's where you cut. problem is that this is supposed to fold over. I guess you're supposed to staple it. So I'm not going to have that. Once I cut it. So we'll just have to improvise, I guess. Oh, the floor is dirty. Okay, so there's my first piece. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the other two, and then, yeah, get it done. And by the magic of video, there's my 3 pieces. So let's go get them installed. Okay, let's see if I can. There's that horrible cough of mine. Let's see if I can get this on video for you guys. So, I got me my little staple gun here, and we're gonna try. Okay, never fails. The card always runs out of memory at the worst time. So, let's see what fits where. Okay. I'm just kind of trying to pull some of the extra paper over just to try and get it to stay, because I did cut the side. Alright, I'll tell you what, it's a lot easier than you think. I mean, I've already got one side almost done. Well, not really, but go with it. We will go with it today. Okay, the reason why I insulated this side is I already have a board that I'm going to put there to cover it, that's washable. So when the chicken roofs then fit into place, you know, like so, it'll be a little easier for me to maintain and keep clean. So, idea something like that. Can't see that. So, something like that, and it'll be a board to cover that, so it'll be clean. So when they do poop, I can wash that board quite easily. I might take some of my extra pieces and shove up along there. I don't know. We'll have to see. I don't know if I'm going to insulate the whole thing. This is a chicken coop, and I am trying to do it on a budget, which is, you know, the main goal. So I did buy some stuff to fill in the gaps down here, but it's too cold right now to do that. So that is part of my installation going up. And thanks for watching.